In Learning Objective C, I'm going to show you how to solve exponential equations by just rewriting them as logarithms. Now, one of the main reasons we need logarithms is to help us solve these types of equations. Whenever you have an exponential equation where the unknown variable is the little exponent, the easiest way to solve it is to rewrite it as a logarithm. So let me show you. We're going to go backwards now in doing this. So this is an exponent with base 10. So as I write it, it means it's going to become log of base 10. And I'm just going to do the swoosh again. So I'm going to do 10 to the 7 equals x. So when I write it, it becomes not exponent base 10, but log base 10 of 7 equals x. So log base 10 of 7 equals x. Now, remember, typically they don't write this little 10 here. This is really just log of 7 equals x. And that's just the button on our calculator. So hit the log and hit 7, and you're going to get that this answer is approximately 0.8451. Now I want us to check for reasonability on this answer. Let's say it's about 0.8. Well, if you think about it, 10 to some power is 7. Well, folks, 10 to the first power is 10. 10 to the 0 power is 1. And we're trying to find it to equal 7. So if it's going to equal 7, it's going to be somewhat closer here. So it's going to be a number between 0 and 1, but it's going to be closer to 1, more like what we found. So the answer seems reasonable. Okay, let's look at one more. So here we have 10 to some power is 14.5. Let's actually estimate this one first. So if the answer was 1, then it'd be 10, but it has to be 14. So the next would be 10 squared, and that would be way too high at 100. So our answer is somewhere between 1 and 2, but by far closer to the 1. I'm going to guess it's 1.2. Let's just see how close we are. So to solve this, remember it's exponent base 10. So it's going to be log base 10 of that equals this. Again, every time you move, you cross over the equal sign. So log base 10 of 14.5 equals x. Again, on the calc, it's just the basic log button and hit 14.5. When we do that, we get approximately 1.161. So my guess of 1.2 was pretty darn close.